Hello, my name is Andrew McKay, and today I'd like to talk about wicked cities of the Anthropocene. What challenges are the cities of the world facing today and tomorrow, and what are we doing to tackle these issues? Let's explore this topic a little more in depth and see if we can find the answers to these questions. First, I'd like to start with a few key definitions. What is Anthropocene? Essentially, it's what scientists are calling a new era in history, one that is dominated by the presence of human beings. And this presence has created wicked problems, or problems which are so complicated that there isn't one simple answer or solution. As we will see next, these problems are not only vast, but also intertwined. Our cities are facing a number of issues that are affecting our entire lives. Rather than go through the list, I'd much rather point out just how one issue affects the other, ballooning into a wicked problem. Take greenhouse gases, or GHGs, for example. They not only cause health problems due to smog, but are also causing climate change, which is causing sea level rise, which leads to poverty, and so on. Attempting to solve one issue means trying to solve every issue. But luckily, there is a plan to try and solve these wicked problems. Sustainability is looking to try and meet the needs of the present population, while allowing future generations to meet their needs and so on. Sustainable development comes down to dealing with the wicked problems in two ways. Mitigation, which is looking at the causes of some of these problems and ways to change, and adaptation, which understands already impending situations and designs scenarios to deal with what we can't stop. The United Nations has even developed 17 Sustainable Development Goals for cities and countries around the world to adopt to promote a better future. Cities specifically have been utilizing these 10 smart growth principles, which aim to understand the connections between people, cities, and the environment, and understands the need to balance equity or fairness, economy, and the environment. These principles allow cities to grow, preserve, develop, and have their citizens be an active part of the process. The end result is a place that is not only sustainable, but is also one where people feel they belong. Some quick examples of sustainable cities include Freiburg, Germany, which has boasted a green movement since the 1970s, becoming an eco-friendly city through its varied transportation, alternative or renewable energy, and continued sustainable development. Stockholm, Sweden is also committed to sustainability through its sustainable urban designs and greenhouse gas emissions reductions. Finally, I'd like to speak of environmental design, which is a new way of thinking about designing the spaces we live in. When we think about solving wicked problems, we often wonder who is going to create the solutions. It seems that the new wave of innovators will be environmental designers, who are learning to collaborate with communities, foster connections, design with purpose, and create places people love to live. I hope that in looking towards the future, the wicked cities of the Anthropocene will soon disappear, their place taken by a sustainably designed world. Thank you.